Good morning and evening everyone, everywhere you are. Welcome to this channel with me, Artista, a very cute and charming girl. In this video, I will show you how to use handphone or call someone by cell phone. Wait, before you guys continue this video, make sure you all like this video and don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe is free. First, make sure you have a handphone or you can borrow phone by your friends. You can start from searching the name of person you want to call. Next, press call button correctly. After that, wait until your calling is accepted. And then you can start conversation. Then, if you want to end conversation, press the red button. Oh yeah, I have a favorite trick for you guys. If you think that looking for some contact is spending your time, you can also press the number on your phone to be a speed dial. Hopefully this video will benefit to our life. And thank you for watching. By the way, this video is just an assignment for my English teacher.